Top 30 Ways to Know for Sure a Guy Secretly Likes You Part 2. 16. He is full of smiles. If he likes you. When a guy who secretly likes you is around you, he wouldn't be able to resist smiling. He would be more obvious that he secretly likes you when he laughs even at the terrible jokes you make. This is a very common sign even if your guy is a shy guy. 17. Your guy gets jealous when you are around another guy. It makes your guy feel resentful. You might get a feeling that he acts a little weird when you speak about another guy or spend some time with the other guy. Even having a guy friend over text doesn't make him feel any good. Not to worry, this is perfectly normal, as it means he is jealous. This is a great sign because it secretly lets you know that he is excited about you. 18. Never disagrees with you while trying to impress you and get your attention. You will find that he will readily accept your ideas and views. He will be the only guy to support your ideas even if you feel that they are the dumbest thoughts ever. He would be the most supportive person for you and would never disagree with you. It is a hidden sign to reveal that he has eyes for you. 19. Makes friends with your friends and family. Getting to know your family and friends means he gets a step closer to you. If he adores you, he is ready to try and win over the hearts of your friends and family as well. So when you feel your guy gets closer to your friends and family, it is a way of him telling you he is secretly crushing on you. 20. Teases you. He will tease you, but will never hurt you. He might be teasing you for fun and to build attraction. He might try to create a playful rapport with you by teasing you to gain your affection. You might find him funny over text as well if he is a shy guy. He will tease you to grab your attention. He might want to seem interesting by having a little fun with you by teasing. Teasing will keep you both engaged even if it doesn't make any sense. 21. Loves spending alone time with you. He might be spending a lot of time with you alone. For example, you might be having fun either doing chores together or going shopping together. He will be finding excuses to spend time with you alone. If this happens on an everyday basis, he is perhaps bewitched by you. 22. Watch his friends closely. If he introduces you to his friends or if he invites you over to his friends' parties, he is already crushing on you. Observe his friends. They might give you clues, or they might be teasing him with you when you are around. Watch his friends' behavior towards him when you are around, as they might be smirking at him and probably messing with him as they know that he likes you. 23. Never hurts you. When a guy likes you, he would be very gentle with you. He will handle your concerns with proper care and in a very delicate manner. He would never let even the simple words hurt you. You are in for happiness because he definitely likes you. 24. Tries to touch you. You may find him quite frequently trying to invade your personal space to touch you and make it look accidental. He might get anxious, clumsy, and shy when this accidental touch happens, so look out for these signals to know that he is interested. 25. Never forgets your important dates. Your important dates like your birthday or your milestone in your job are his important dates too. He would remember those dates and make it a memorable one for you as well. If a guy could keep in mind your important dates without letting it slip from his memory, he definitely admires you. 26. Will be flirtatious. If he tries to flirt with you, that is a pretty obvious clue that he secretly likes you. He might try to flirt when you are spending some alone time to get closer to you. This is proof that he is curious about you. 27. Inquire about you to your friends. He might get in touch with your friends to know more about you. He might be interested in knowing everything there is to know about you from your friends. He will be keen and you will always find him talking about you to your friends. 28. Tries to gain your attention. He might try to draw your attention even when you are at a distance. He might make heroic gestures when you are around to try to make you pay attention to him. Talking loudly is also a sign that he is trying to get your attention. 29. Cares a lot about you. Whenever you are in trouble or when you ask him for help, he will readily offer to help you. This is great proof that he cares for you. He will also be more generous with you. Check for these hints. He might be secretly telling you that he likes you. It's good to notice if he cares more about you than any of his other friends. He might be a caring person by nature. But, if he showers you specifically with more care, then it is a clear-cut sign that he likes you. 30. That one last look. This signal screams out loud that he likes you. Whenever he leaves the room or leaves the bus, he takes one last look at you before leaving. It doesn't matter if he is busy or not. He is just hoping that you would watch him leave, so he can hold one last eye lock with you before leaving. Last looks are a clearly obvious sign that he likes you. Now you know. If you don't find yourself falling for him, it is better to talk to him about it so he could move on. You could also just ignore his feelings, which might as well send him a message that you are not interested. It would be so much easier if the guy would just calms up.